Toa o Aotearoa. Ko waira, te tangata tū taua.
Ko nunga taha te maunga, ko Rotorua nui ia kaumata momo I te moana, ko te ara te iwi, ko Joe Buck Masters tōku inga. I have been involved with MOTUHAKE for 4 years. My tutors include Tiki Te Rangi Curtis and fly under the banner of Rotorua. I have come from Rotorua to take part in this kaupapa toa Aotearoa. And if I think back in the old days, you know, if they get through me, they basically get through your iwi, so that's how I'm going about it this year. Well, I first started when I was at intermediate, when I was heading in the wrong direction. I was doing bad stuff. You know, I wasn't a happy person, and yeah, I found out that there was a MOTUHAKE class going on, and it just grew from there. So yeah, I think I owe a lot of it to Rotorua. Best part is I like it when you fight and you see that fella dead in the eye and he's got that kill look in you, like, yeah, I like that. Can't really explain, but that's when I feel most alive. You feel my blood pumping around the body. My strategy is to relax when I can relax and when I need to relax, because last year I think I came in on a high, and then, you know, every high has a low. I've still got that desire to win. Still got that burn in me. Feels like I haven't finished yet. I reckon I'm a lot stronger, fitter, faster, more mature. I still reckon Owen, you know, he's the pinnacle right now, so I reckon it's only fair for him to come back and try and beat him. Kia ora boys, you know, we're here to fight, so let's make it good and, you know, do your people proud, do yourself proud.
Ko mata whaura te maunga, ko te waiti te aura, ko te alawa te iwi, ko kēmara tōku ingo. I've been involved with MOTUHAKE for about 3 years now. My tutors include Wetini Mitai Ngātai, Tihe Te Rangi and Raimona. I have come from Rotorua to take part in this kaupapa toa o Aotearoa. I actually got to watch the last previous series, and I was actually quite interested, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to come and test myself against, well, Aotearoa's finest there. And then I believe if you practice the art of MOTUHAKE, then why not come here and test yourself? I feel the bros are looking quite fit, or fitter than myself anyway. I think mind games is another one, because the bros are quite young and they're a bit easier to tap into. But other than that, just getting those points, especially when it comes into the ring. You know, it's just making those points, making them count. Yeah, and just keeping out of that striking zone. Watching the previous series, I thought legs, really need strong legs to carry you through throughout the whole series. That was a biggie for me. Fitness was also another. Try and tighten everything up as possible. And the mental state was another. Just prepping yourself mentally, knowing how to deal with the pain. One can only give his best, and whatever result, you just got to be happy with. Tēnā kai aku ka hui toa, tukuna te rākau kia kōrero, kia makare rawa o hengere, kia upoko mālo, kia pakaru rāno. Don't hold back, cause I'm not. Tēnā koutou.
Ko pūtahi te maunga, ko wairoro te awa, ko ngā puhinui tonu te iwi, ko Edmund Eramiha tōku ingoa. I've been involved with MOTUHAKE for sort of on and off 4 years. My tutors include Anuru Kio, Kipper Munro and Paul Sharples. I've come from Hamilton to take part in this kaupapa toa o Aotearoa. There's heaps of taonga for me in here, and this kind of in MOTUHAKE. It opens heaps of doors for me. It helps me become a better person. It's a good asset to Toa out there who have this kind of skill but don't know how to get it out there and put it to use. It's a really good asset for us being Toa and get our mahi out there. And it just really helps us get our skill and show our people what we can actually do. I haven't thought of a hard strategy just yet. Still coming to me, still trying to take it all in, still trying to take all this kaupapa in. Still trying to learn a bit here and there from off the other kahui Toa, but they're not really saying much, so I'm just keeping it back. The physical side would be really hard for me to just watching these challenges and just think to myself, wow, those are hard. And they also played a mind game for me too, just saying that's hard. They would have weighed me down more. And just the whole physical side really, and also the whawhai side too, is just really different. Kia kaha, ngā toa, stand tall, be strong, and let the rākau kōrero. Also, may your tupuna be with you on the papahora rākau in each challenge. And just kia kaha.